Good morning. Thank you for calling Inside Homes. How can I help you?
When you contact Inside Homes, our friendly staff will gather some information from you, such as how you heard about us, what type of services you need, as well as contact information, so we can send you an email confirmation that will include the work order and, for safety reasons, a profile picture of our technicians so you know exactly who to expect. Our certified technicians will arrive on time in a branded Inside Homes truck and will be ready to start right away. But before getting started on the work, our lead technician will do a full walkthrough to review all parts of your service order. Inside Homes has the ability to clean laminate flooring, upholstered furniture, oriental rugs and wall-to-wall carpeting, grout, granite, and tiled surfaces. We also provide allergy treatments on rugs and mattresses. After your service is completed, you will receive a follow-up phone call to make sure that you are happy with the services we've provided.
Great, I'm glad you are happy. You know, we grow our company by word of mouth and referrals, so if you write and post a review or refer someone, we will give you $20 off your next cleaning. We appreciate your business. Thank you, and have a great day.
To learn more about our services, visit us at InsideHomesCleaning.com or call us at 727-394-2942.